Hello, what's up, good people? Yes, it's your boy Decent, and today I've got a new topic. I know a lot of people are waiting for this, so this one is going to change your life for all. Most people have been asking me, how do I achieve the lifestyle that I want? How do I live the kind of life that I really desire? So it's like whenever someone thinks of something else, they start to think about, what are the people going to say about me? How are they going to respond? How are they going to comment? All those negativity things will start to clutter your mind up to the extent that you yourself will be defeated even before you start doing something. You get what I'm saying? Yes, you will be defeated before you start doing something. So how do you get rid of all this negativity out of your mind so that you can actually focus on things that truly matter? So this is what can actually help you to achieve or to live the life that you actually want. Because when you remove the negativity, think about what you want to achieve and don't think about what are they going to say. You get it? And yeah, remember, you have to start small. They say a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. That's what we are talking about here. That small step that you are taking towards the life that you want is all that matters. Make sure that each and every single day you have done something that is going to propel you, that is going to push you towards the goal or towards the dream of the life that you want. And then the other thing, if you want to achieve something that is extremely great, you start to think about how big it is up to the extent that you become demotivated. So what I want to tell you guys, do it in small steps, set some milestones. Yes, I remember in my other video where I was talking about goal setting, I was also talking about starting with small steps. Yes, that's the previous statement that we said, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So no matter what they are going to say, make sure that you stay motivated, you stay dedicated, you stay focused till you achieve the dream that you want. Because remember, no one is going to come and help you, especially the people who speak negative about yourself. The people who want the best of you are the people who encourage you, who helps you, who give you some advice. If they say anything negative about what you are saying, remember, they don't like you. Remember, if they say anything negative in a negative way, yes, in a negative way, but some negative criticism helps. Get me right here. Some other people may tell you something that is negative that can actually build you to make you stronger and more powerful and achieve your dreams. So guys, I'm going to teach you and I'm going to explain in this journey with you so that you can actually live the dream life that you want, no matter what people are saying. Keep focused, stay dedicated, believe in yourself, remove negativity, find people who give you life, people who encourage what you are saying. With this one, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's meet in the next one. Bye for this one.